Hi, welcome to Civil Connection channel. In this video, we are going to see about 3D modeling of dog-legged chair. If you are new to our channel, you haven't subscribed it, please subscribe it and press the bell button to get the notification of further updation of the videos. So now we shall go for the AutoCAD. In this AutoCAD, I have the plan of an staircase. Here the plan, that is width of this stair, it is 1500 mm, and landing width it is 1500 mm, and the width of this stair it is 3300, and there is a landing at the end of the stair. Okay, now I shall model. Here I shall use extrude command, so I shall copy this rectangle. So the plan would be separate. I shall model only using this rectangles. Okay, again there is a rectangle command. I shall draw a rectangle, specify first corner, and the dimension I am using, it is 1500 cross 300. It is the step thread and width of the step. Now I shall region both this. It will be forming two separate loops. Okay, so it will be forming a surface. Now I shall extrude both this. It is by 150 mm, that is height of a step. It is 150 mm. Now I have extruded the step. Now I shall create this, that is step. I shall copy this step one above the above. Copy command, CO. I shall take this as a base point, as it will be connected to each and every step. So I need to place 9 steps. So I am placing 9 steps. Placed 4. This is 5th, then 6th, 7th, 8th, and 9th step. And instead of 10th step, you need to place this landing above that. So this forms you can see this in the elevation, side elevation. It forms this manner. Now we can always view the 3D view in southwest. Okay, so now we need to form. Here it will be whatever staircase you put, there will be some waste slab at the bottom of the steps. So I need to place some wedge shape at this corners to form the stair, that is waste slab. So I shall model a wedge with the command wedge, WEDGE, wedge. Okay, first corner, and I shall use this command length. Here length I shall choose it as 300, and width it is 1500, or I shall choose it as wedge command, first corner, and I shall choose the length, it is 150 mm, and width it is 1500, and height it is 300 mm. Okay, this is the formation of wedge. We need to rotate and form the base. So I shall rotate it. I shall use 3D rotate command. Now it should rotate in this manner. Okay, in z axis. This is the axis you need to rotate, so it is 90 degree. Okay, again you need to rotate in this axis, so it will be forming 90 degree. This is the accurate point what you need. No, it is again you need to rotate by 180 degree. No. Here this base it is right, but this should be in this direction. So again I should rotate in this direction. It will be accurate. I have rotated 180 degree in with respect to z axis. Now I shall move this and place, I shall copy it and place every corners at this corner. Copy. This is the base point. I shall place it at this corners. Now you can this forms the accurate star model. Now I shall union this this up to this wedge. I shall remove leave this last step, as I need a particle in this direction, that is next portion of this star. So I shall union this union, so it will be forming a single element. So I shall use union command. So I shall choose in this way. I have chosen. Now I shall press the enter. So it forms a single element. Now I shall copy the same. Okay, I have copied something and I shall rotate this. So we need this in this way. So I have rotated in this way. Now I need to pick the base point. For that I shall choose this portion, move command. I shall choose this portion and place it at this point, because it is 300 mm depth. Okay, now I have placed here. So each and every steps are formed here, but there is one mistake. What is that? This top landing, it is of lengthy, so I shall remove it. I need to remove it. So I shall form a rectangle. So I shall form a rectangle. So overall width of the rectangle, that is this landing, it is 3300 cross 1500. So in that I shall remove 1500 in 3300. So it is 1800. So length it is 1800 and width it is 1500. Now I shall region this. Now extrude this by 150 mm. Now place this above the top landing. Check whether the size it is correct or not, because if you have placed this in opposite direction, you will not get the accurate landing. So now I am going to use subtract command, or you can use this icon subtract. So I have selected the object. So this is the object I have chose from which I need to subtract it. So again I need to select the object. This is the other object. I need to subtract it. So I have selected. Now this is. So I have, while I am choosing, I have found which object I need to choose. For that you need to use this selection cycling. It should be on. If it is on, if there is 2 or more object, you can choose which you need to select it. Okay. Now it is now you can union all this star by union command. Now it will be forming a star. Okay. This is staircase 3D modeling for dog-legged star. Thank you for watching the video. If you like, press the thumbs up button. If you have any comments, you can specify in the comment section. Thank you.